All right, we're going to go ahead and go to CAD 8. The guide plate is number 2 at the end of chapter 3. It's still standard. We're not doing anything metric yet, so, and we're going to do this in the same way. I'm going to start off with just my rectangle. Zoom out a little bit. All right. All right, all good and centered. This one's easy enough. Oop, didn't mean to do that. Let's undo that. There we go. 4.25. 2. There we go. Now, we got a circle here and 2 circles here, but I'm only drawing one of them. Okay? You'll see why in a second. So here's our first one. 2.5 and 1. And this one is 3. And 1.5. This one is a diameter of 1. And this one is also a diameter of 1. Now notice I'm not drawing the diameter 2 circle just yet, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and finish that. All right, so our original extrusion is going to be 0.25. All right, now we got a boss height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick this, project that, and just draw another circle. And you can also just type it in. So now that one's 2, and we'll finish. And we'll extrude that. Additional 0.125. And there's our thing. Boss height, that's the boss. It's extra material put on there to give it a little bit more strength in that area so that whatever bolt or shaft or whatever passes through that hole doesn't just tear this to shreds. Okay? So that's that. We will go ahead and save that as CAD 8. And if you want to, you can go ahead and rename this from solid 1 to guide plate. All right. Now, remember I told you you could do these with properties. So I'm going to name this base. And then I'm going to name this boss. So there you go. You got the base and you got the boss. And you can do that with all your parts, okay? Name them, something that makes sense, of course. But you don't have to. It's just something cool to do. So we'll save that again, and then we'll export PDF. And that's CAD 8. And we'll see you for CAD 9.